Hello, it's Wes again, SuperWes that is. Today we're going to talk about the Shiley FEN trach. And this one in particular is it's an adult size trach. It's a size 8 FEN trach. And the FEN means it's fenestrated. A fenestrated trach is one that has a hole in the back so that they can breathe up through their mouth and nose. And it makes it easier to breathe up through there and to talk. Now, this trach has an inner cannula in it, and this one is a reusable inner cannula, and it twists and unlocks. And so if it gets filled with phlegm, occluded somehow, you can pull it out, clean it, usually with peroxide and water, or clean it with warm soapy water, rinse it, let it soak with peroxide for about 3 minutes, rinse with distilled water, let it set out to dry. And while you're doing that, you usually have a spare that you'll go ahead and insert, and you turn it and adjust until it clicks. It's very common for these to be turned too far, and when they are turned too far, they will break and they will spin freely and they will pull out freely. The other markings on this, in the top left side, there'll be some raised lettering that say Shiley. On the top right, it'll say the size 8, and also the particular model, which is FEN. It's a fenestrated trach. The ID is 7.6. That's the inner diameter, how much room they have to breathe, and the outside diameter is 12.2. That's how much room it takes up inside their trachea, because they don't want it to rub against their cricoid cartilage, and they don't want it to be so loose that it's hard to occlude it with the cuff. And since this does have a pilot tube and a pilot balloon, it does have a cuff one. Alrighty, thank you so much. Bye-bye.